Next up to the podium will be Attorney General Steve Marshall, who will be sworn into his first full term in office after being appointed to the position to fill out the term left vacant by Luther Strange. The oath will be administered by Michael Joyner, a former judge on the Alabama Court of Criminal Appeals.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of the State of Alabama.
And the Constitution of the State of Alabama.
So long as I continue a citizen thereof.
So long as I continue a citizen thereof.
And that I will faithfully and honestly.
And I will faithfully and honestly.
Discharge the duties.
Discharge the duties.
Of the Office of Attorney General of Alabama.
Of the Office of Attorney General of Alabama.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Attorney General Steve Marshall hugging his daughter there. Of course, it's been a tragic year after the Attorney General lost his wife several months ago.
Governor Ivey, fellow citizens, before I begin, yesterday Alabama lost one of its heroes, Birmingham Police Sergeant Watson, who died in the line of duty. I would ask if we could bow our heads for a moment to reflect upon him and his family. Thank you. It is an honor to serve as the 48th Attorney General of the great state of Alabama. And on this solemn occasion, it's only fitting that we reflect upon the duties of the office of which I hold. Under our law, Alabama's Attorney General has dual responsibilities. One is to serve as our state's chief legal counsel, and two is to act as our chief law enforcement officer. We have been blessed by our founders to live in a democracy, a representative democracy. You, the people, through your representatives, decide what the laws of our state will be. I, as the attorney for the state of Alabama, defend those laws against those who would attempt to suppress your voice. This is a serious responsibility because the sovereignty of the state of Alabama depends upon it. The people must have a zealous advocate in the courtroom to defend their duly enacted laws, and I pledge to you today to be that voice. While defending Alabama's laws protects her sovereignty, enforcing Alabama's laws protects her people. It's been said that the highest duty of government is to protect its citizens. Indeed, the first civil right of every person in this state is to be free from the fear of violence. As Alabama's chief law enforcement officer, that responsibility starts with me. Working hand in hand with our state and local law enforcement, we've targeted violent crime across our state. In fact, today, hundreds sit behind bars because of our unrelenting efforts, and we will continue to pursue justice, and we have only just begun. Today, as I begin a new term, let me be clear. I will never back down from enforcing our laws, no matter the situation, no matter the consequence. Likewise, I will never use the law as a means to political ends, nor will I confuse the idea of law and the fact of power. My loyalty will be to the law itself. I pledge to always fight for you, for your laws, and for your safety. In my over 2 decades as a prosecutor, I have never backed down from a fight, and I will not start that today. Every single day that I have the honor to serve as your Attorney General, these are the things that I will fight for, and that fight will not end. So help me God. Thank you, and God bless you, and God bless the great state of Alabama.
Attorney General Steve Marshall embarking on his first full term in the office, shaking hands with Governor Ivey there.